Welcome to an updated guide on how to add a frame to your Facebook profile picture. If you're looking to customize your profile for a cause, a celebration, or a personal touch, this quick walkthrough will have you set in minutes. First, open Facebook and go to your profile. Once you're there, locate your current profile picture and click on it. You'll see your existing image with the option to update or edit. Click on your profile photo to open the editing menu. In the editing menu, you'll find the option to add frame. Tap or click Add Frame to browse the available frames. Facebook offers a variety of styles, from seasonal themes to cause-based frames, so you're likely to find something that fits your mood or message. Take a moment to explore the options. Scroll through the frames and preview how each one looks over your profile picture. If you find one you love, select it to apply it to your image. You'll usually see a preview showing how the frame sits around your face and shoulders so you can judge whether it complements your photo. Once you're happy with your choice, look for the Save button. This saves the framed image to your profile, replacing the old picture with your updated frame version. Depending on your settings, you might also have the option to customize further, like adjusting the frame's opacity or adding a caption to explain the frame's meaning. That's all there is to it. Go to your profile, click on your profile picture, choose Add Frame, pick the perfect frame, and save. If you're torn between a couple of frames, try saving one to compare how it looks over a few hours before finalizing your choice. One quick tip: keep accessibility in mind. Choose frames and colors that maintain clear contrast so your face remains easily recognizable. And if you're presenting a message or event, consider a frame that subtly underscores that theme without overpowering your photo. With a few taps, your Facebook profile becomes a little more expressive and current. Thanks for watching.